What's going on, folks? I'm about to give you just a quick look pretty much at what an engine looks like outside of a vehicle. This engine right here happens to be a 2001 S-type engine. Pretty much goes inside of a Jaguar. But if you can see right here, this is like the I guess you could call it the side part of the engine. Just depends on which way that the engine's going inside of your vehicle. Like right here, this is your tension pulley right here that you would normally pull down to loosen your belts that go onto this engine, as well as you could come right here. This is your AC compressor right here that runs your AC. And if you come down right here, this would be your harmonic balancer normally. This is your harmonic balancer right here. And if you see down there, that's where your oil filter would go at. And you can see just like various different pulleys and pipes and stuff that's loose on the engine now, because this engine was actually taken out. It's going to be reinstalled. So you can see kind of around here just some of the different stuff pretty much that's on the engine. So if you want to remove a whole engine out of it, you know, you'll have quite a bit of work that you'll have to do if you want to remove an engine from your vehicle to get to it. When you come around this side, over here is your flywheel pretty much. This is where your transmission will connect to. So when you have to take your transmission out, this is where they have to pull your transmission off from, which is right here by your flywheel. As well as if you needed flywheel work, this why it could be so expensive, because you pretty much have to lift up the engine normally, and first of all you got to take your transmission off of it, and then you would have to, sometimes you can get to, but most time you got to lift your engine up to be able to remove that flywheel, which is held on by those screws right there, but you can see. And that's pretty much where your transmission will go at, on this side over here. And then if you come around here on this side, you'll be able to see, you know, of course that's your dipstick where you would put your oil at right here. Well, actually where you would test your oil at. And this right here will be where you would actually put new oil inside of if you needed it. And you can just see the various things that's kind of on top of your engine. From this side over here, you can see right here is where your exhaust, one side of your exhaust will connect that right here. And of course you got the other side that's right over there where you have the other side of your exhaust will connect that. And once again right here is your flywheel that you're looking at in the back right here. Give you a quick look. Some of your various plugs and, you know, wires and sensors. This engine right here pretty much doesn't have your other parts on. Like it doesn't have your starter on it. It doesn't have your alternator on it. It doesn't have all those kind of pieces. Normally if you buy an engine, all you're going to get pretty much is the block, which is basically like this is what you're going to get, is a block that you'll get. You won't get your starter, alternator, and all those other parts like that. Alright, I just want to give y'all a look pretty much on what an engine will look like when it's outside of your vehicle. Alright, please check out our other videos and please subscribe. Thanks.